Hi, I am back with another exciting tutorial. Welcome to day 23 of the 30-day UI/UX Design and Animations Challenge. Today we will create a card flip animation in Figma. I am taking a game app screen where I need to implement this functionality. It is a guessing game, so I am implementing this flip card animation for hint functionality where the user can utilize available hints to see the card before guessing the entire card deck. I have already placed some placeholders on the screen, so I am taking a frame of the same size to adjust in layout. I am placing another frame and rotating a bit. Change its color and stroke. Place the icon component inside this frame. That is the front side of the card. Now design the back side. I am placing some text here. So here is the back side. Now flip the card by right-clicking and selecting Flip Horizontal or pressing the Shift+H key. Now flip the text again to make it readable. Both sides are ready. This part was for on flipped side of the card. Now select and duplicate both. I am changing position now for the flipped side. Change the frame name for this part. Now the left one is front and the right one is back. I am moving this side above to place them in order because I want to show cards in this order. I mean a blank card with text instruction in front and an actual component on the back that could be any nut according to this scenario. In either case, the animation will be triggered from both sides. Make sure both front cards are above in Layers panel. Now select cards, make them center align and make a component. Now same for the below part. Select both components and combine them as variants. Now add a prototype. I am adding a click trigger with smart animation for the first one. For the second one, I have added an after delay trigger because, as I have stated, I will add that card's flip animation for hint functionality, so I want it to flip back after a while. You can set triggers according to your requirements. Now copy this component, select all placeholders and paste to replace them all. I have placed the nut icons as a component so I can change it for some cards. Change to that variant change icon and go back to the required state or variant. Here you go. Catch up for the next day. Thanks for watching.